Hello, this is a quick demo of the project that you need and it's already done. All you have to do is to come here and I used Artilla to develop it. You enable the scheduler here and then you make it run once every day and this can run on schedule. And let me show you, it will run and it will get all the products of the day on product hunt. Let me show you the few elements that I used to develop this automation. So the trick is that the current day, let's block this. The current day, they only display a few of them, and then you have to click here to see all of today's products. So that's what I do. I click on this see all products of today, and then it will open them all. It will open them up, all of them, and then we will start to click one by one. Here there's only 10, but once we open up there are 50, 70, we will catch them. We will open the new page, extract the data, close the model, and this is the inspection, all the data we get, product name, description, team members, the points, the comments, the day rank, week rank, and the listing URL for your perusal. So let's run this just to show you how it works, and then I will send you as well the CSV data of the first few minutes of this scrapping. So it takes a couple of seconds to wait for the loading of the page. We keep that notification, that's not a problem. Now it's going to start to open the products one by one. I'm hands off right now. My mouse is not moving. I'm not touching the keyboard. That's the first product, second product, third product, and then I will let it run and accelerate it for the sake of time. All right, now it's done. So let's look at the results. And we have 119 products of the day on the 24th of December. Merry Christmas. And you get all the data right here. You can export it into your Excel CSV and do whatever you wish with that data. Thank you.